chronic pain, the inner demon, back with another one. Now, folks, this is a magnificent bridge in Kuwait, Iraq. You remember Iraq? Where Saddam Hussein, we went and got him, which he wasn't really, the person that really started September 11th, but hey, Mr. Bush went and got him for his father. But anyway, that's a long story. So we're going to take a look at a 747 Delta Airline touching down over the JABER Bridge in Kuwait. Take a look, folks. This is the JABER Bridge, man-made. That's why they built the city of Dubai so easy. Look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at this. Over the ocean, miles and miles and miles of road built over the ocean. So in my opinion, America, they could build a road that goes to from Cuba to Jamaica. Oh yes, they can. And also from Miami to Jamaica. Because look at this. Technology at its best. Look at this, folks. Well, this is what you call a view to kill. This is what you call this. A view to kill. Because this view is just so amazing. Yeah. It's a view to die for. But I ain't gonna try it though. This bridge is just out of this world. Out of this world. Look at this. It's the same way when you look at the tunnel from France to England with the train. Look at the architectural work. Just amazing. Ain't no different from New York City with the Harlem Tunnel and the Lincoln Tunnel, because it's all the same when it comes down to blueprints and all these architects and their brilliant ideas. These guys are marvelous. Look at this. Engineer perfectly. God. Mankind at its best. That's why we need to chill and love each other. Respect each other. And stop the BS. Because look at this. We built this as men. And also we have men operating it with people on board. And look at this. Immaculate. Marvelous. A view to kill. Boeing 747 attempt to land on this bridge, are going over this bridge, JABER Bridge in Kuwait. For you guys who've been to Kuwait, I have never been to Kuwait, but look at this bridge. The closest I get to this bridge is when I went to Virginia Beach and I drove on the Chesapeake Bridge. This is the closest I got to it, the Chesapeake Bridge. But look at this. My goodness. Look at this landing. Wow. Steady. Look how steady he hold the airplane with all the wind on the ocean. Because there's a lot of wind out there right now. You could tell. The water is very choppy. And he's holding it down. Look at that. A view to kill. Amazing. Amazing. I watch stuff like this sometimes just to ease my mind, folks. And that's why I'm bringing it to you. So I hope you appreciate it. Just to see how mankind, how amazing we are. You know what I mean? And just stop fighting with each other, you know, and fussing. Why are we fussing and fighting? You know, we don't need to. You know, look at all these stuff. We're brilliant. Put our heads together. Brilliancy. Come on, man. You saw what just happened. Now he's in the city of Kuwait, cruising after he went over that bridge. Cruising through the city of Kuwait towards the airport. Awesome. Magnificent. Like I said earlier, a view to kill. That's what I call this. Because this pilot gave you a view to kill from every aspect. The city, the ocean, everything. Boeing 747 gives you a view to kill. Oh man, I got stocks in Boeing. I forgot about that. I guess I wouldn't sell my stocks after watching this. Or I won't sell my stocks after seeing this magnificent performance by a pilot in a Boeing 747 cruising over the bridge, the JABER bridge in Kuwait towards landing. Cruising over the city of Kuwait towards landing. The view of the city of Kuwait, Iraq, towards landing. But folks, I thought the city was teared down with the Bush's administration, but they have high rises over there, so they're looking good. Here we go, touching down. Touching down in Kuwait, the city in Iraq, the desert, the ocean, the way they build cities in the Eastern world is just amazing. Just look how they build Dubai. Amazing. And Kuwait, wow. There's a lot of real estate in the water in Kuwait. A lot of real estate in the water in Kuwait. Wow. This is a landing. This is what you call a view to kill. Coming through and landing in Kuwait. A 747 Boeing flying in the air, touching down, giving you views, showing you a bridge that a lot of us have never seen before, stretched across the ocean, showing us how mankind and technology advance. Brilliant. Amazing. That's why I call it a view to kill. My goodness. Wow. Folks, I know we are brilliant in America. But because I travel a lot, folks, I do, seriously. But when you travel and see brilliancy, it warms your heart. It does. It makes you think in a different light, different perspectives in life you look at, in your life, that's what I'm talking about, in my life, different perspectives, how I could make changes to improve myself. Because all this right here is just showing us nothing but discipline, obedience, patience. Sure enough, folks, if you look closely, that's what it shows you. Discipline, obedience, patience to land a Boeing 747 Delta Airline touching down across the JABER Bridge into the Kuwait airport. Spectacular. The view was just amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the view. Seriously, because it's amazing. And we're getting to see places in Kuwait that we've never seen before. So why not take a look to see how the other side of the world looks like, to see what it looks like, to see what Kuwait looks like, their city, their buildings. Because, folks, pretty much any and everywhere in the world, apart from the British, replicate America. So we have to look at that, Look at their structure. See if we notice anything. So let's get back to the Boeing now. Cruising towards his gates. After he made that magnificent landing, cruising towards his gate in Kuwait airport. Folks, I don't need to show you no more. This plane lands safely. I just wanted to show you the Kuwait, the bridge in Kuwait, JABER Bridge in Kuwait, how the Delta Airline just flew over that amazing view and touched down into the Kuwait airport. Chronic pain, the inner demon. Like, share, subscribe to the machine, and tell a friend to tell a friend. You see what I'm saying? Peace!